7:15 exactly. Let's go to Carol, who has all this morning's weather for us. Morning, Carol.
Good morning, everyone. This morning, some of us are waking up to some beautiful sunrises, rather like this one in North Yorkshire, and thanks to Maz for sending it in. However, if you're waking up in the southwest of England or indeed South Wales, there is some dense fog to watch out for, as you can see here from our weather watcher, Alan, who sent this in just a little bit earlier. Now, it's a mild start to the day, more or less across the board. The exception to that is across North East Scotland, where temperatures have fallen away quite low as we've gone through the early hours of today. And there's a lot of cloud around as well. In fact, anywhere from the Midlands northwards, you could see some patchy rain or indeed some drizzle coming out of that cloud. Now, through the day, our mist and fog will tend to lift, but what you'll find is as the sun comes out across Wales, the southwest, parts of Northern Ireland as well, that will spark off some showers, and some of those could be heavy and also thundery. Temperatures 7 in Lerwick to about 17 as we sweep down towards the southeast. The other thing today is that pollen levels are high in Wales and southern England, but for the rest of the UK, they're either low or moderate. Now, through this evening and overnight, there still will be a fair bit of cloud around with 1 or 2 showers, and then a weather front comes in from the west, bringing in some rain. Some of this will be heavy as it pushes slowly eastwards. It's not going to be a cold night with all of this going on, temperatures falling away between 6 and about 11 degrees. So here is that same said weather front, which will continue to journey eastwards during the course of Wednesday. Another one following hot in its heels, bumping into that area of high pressure, so it's fairly weak. So we start off with that rain moving eastwards, followed by some of it heading southwards as well. But by the afternoon, most of that will be confined to the far southeastern quarter, but it could be heavy across some southern and eastern parts of England and also eastern Scotland, and you may just hear the odd rumble of thunder. But it will brighten up out towards the west with some sunny intervals and highs up to about 19 degrees. Now, as we move from Wednesday into Thursday, you can see how this area of high pressure is building from the southwest. There still will be a few weather fronts toppling over the top of it, but we're dragging in this milder air across the whole of the UK. The highest temperatures will be in the south, but temperatures generally will be higher than they have been across the country. So a lot of dry and sunny weather to start with in England and Wales, a bit more cloud developing through the afternoon, and we've got our weather fronts toppling across the top of that, bringing in some rain at times across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Temperatures 10 in Lerwick to 21 somewhere in the southeast, possibly 22 if we hang on to the sunshine before that cloud does build in. And then as we move on into Friday, we've got various weather fronts slipping southwards, taking the cloud and the rain with them. In between, there will be some sunshine, but the wind changing to more of a northwesterly. So something a bit fresher coming in across the northern half of Scotland. But as we push farther south across the rest of the country, we're still looking at some warm conditions, temperatures up to about 20 degrees in London. Sal and Dan.
Thank you very much for that, Carol. We'll see you after 7 o'clock.